Hi, it's David. Welcome to the exercise of the week. I'm so excited to share this with you. Also, if you can, like, subscribe, and maybe share with a friend. Try the exercise and let me know in the comments how you did. This exercise is the hammer curl. I want you to have your arms down to your side, nice and relaxed, bending the inside of your elbow, and you're going to blow and come up and control the weights coming down. Just don't let them drop. And you can breathe in or out on the way down. Doesn't matter, your choice. Always blowing and lifting though on the way up. Always remember proper posture, proper breathing. The posture is your feet squared, your shoulders slightly pinched back, level chin, and blow and lift is the breathing. Come up and come down. Nice and easy, blowing and lifting. Pausing at the top, and again, controlling coming down nice and easy. And that exercise is the hammer curls. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it. Also, check out these videos over here.